Du skal nå øve på å lese denne teksten sammen med meg. Jeg leser, eller jeg deler lange setninger opp i mindre deler, og da stopper jeg. Når jeg stopper, så skal du gjenta det jeg leste, og du skal øve på god uttale og leseflyt alene senere. Du må bruke ørene dine godt når du lytter, og du skal prøve å si ordene på samme måte som jeg gjør det. Når du har øvd mange ganger på denne teksten, sammen med meg, så skal du lese den alene, og du skal lese den inn i en video du skal lage i OneNote. Men du må øve mye først. Ok, da starter vi. Vi starter her oppe. America is a nation of immigrants. People from all over the world. Came to live in America. They became one people. The American people. America is a huge melting pot. Where different cultures melt together. Into a new culture. The American culture. There were already people living in America when the first Europeans arrived. The indigenous people of North America are called Native Americans. Early immigration, 1600 to 1800. The first settlers in America came from England. They arrived in the beginning of the 1600s. Many of them died the first winter because of the extreme cold and little food. The Native Americans who came in contact with the Europeans died due to illness. They caught from the settlers. They were not used to their bacteria. Mid-1800s. The gold rush. People discovered gold on the west coast of America. Many Chinese immigrated to the USA in hope of finding gold. Chinese people came from China. One million Irish came to America because the potato crop failed. Many starved in Ireland. Nine 1800 to 1920s. $40 million immigrants from Southern and Eastern Europe came to America during this period. Most immigrants settled in cities so they could get a job in the growing industry. The Industrial Revolution had started in England in the 1800s. Thousands of Scandinavians settled on farms in the Midwest. By the 1920s, there were about 100 ethnic groups living in America. They all had different cultures, languages, and religions. New laws were made, so it became more difficult to move to America. 1960s until now. Many people from Asia and Latin America have immigrated to America since the 1960s. Spanish is the second largest language. Spoken in the USA today. Today there are thousands of illegal immigrants living in America. Why did people leave? Some people left their home countries because of poverty and hunger. Others ran away from wars and earthquakes. Yet others wanted an adventure and hoped to get rich. Many people got a better life in America, but not all. Some people got jobs and sent their children to school. Others remained poor. About 1 million people immigrate to America each year. Hoping for a better life. The American dream. The belief that anyone can become successful if they work hard and try their best. Nå leser jeg ikke mer. Nå har vi ikke mer tid igjen. Lykke til, øv mye, bli god leser, lag video i OneNote og les inn teksten der.